Day 2. Are you ready?
Aga naman yan, be.
Are you ready for day 2?
Okay na. Ready.
What about you?
Tingin mo, ready kami?
Tigim.
Wala na lang kaming choice. Ay!
Are you ready for day 2?
Umuwi ka na.
Ready?
Yung supply mo? Ala, ginamit.
Good morning, day 2 Boracay. Good morning, day 2 Boracay. Ang init. Araw pala. Good morning, guys. Agenda for today. Ang gagawin natin? Mag-island tour kami. Island hopping, sorry. Island hopping pala daw. As usual, kasama natin mga tropa mapanira ng buhay. Hey! Ang dalawa nasa likod. Say hi! Hey! Hey! Samahan nyo kami. Nandito na kami sa Station 1. Malapit na kami sa meeting place. Say hi!
Hi! Hello! Hello, madam people. Mabuhay.
For the vlog ng mga first sons. Ito pa yung iba. Ang ganda ng beach! Sa Astoria with my hey Charles.
Video pala. Video ba?
Kaso ayan si Kuya yun yung mag-orient sa amin para dun sa orientation check para dun sa ano natin sa island tour.
From Bahamas.
See you later doon. Bye.
Ma'am, in Berlin, Hong Kong. Parang i-divide nila tayo into two.
yung pangalan mo.
Jenny, o, di ba?
Nasa una. Nauna ba yan? Ma'am General Christine! Nakakatawa ng globo na to. Are you guys ready? Yes!
Long and 1 kilometer wide. The beachfront from station 1 to station 3, that is 4 kilometers stretch. Boracay Island belongs to the municipality of Malay Aklan, consisting of 17 barangays. The 14 barangays in the mainland, but only 3 barangays here in Boracay.
Hi guys, welcome back. Dito na ngayon tayo sa Bogto, sorry. Dito tayo ngayon sa Crystal Cove.
Ayan, vlogger check.
Vlogger check! Ayan, punta tayo ngayon ng Cove 1. Nandito daw yung view deck. Tsaka yung majestic view. Majestic view daw. Let's see kung totoo. This is Cove 1, guys. Look how cool it is here. Medyo maalan lang daw. Halata naman sobra. Yay! Pero ang ganda ng water. O, diba? Just look at there. Ooh. Background natin itong dalawa. Hey! Paslagabangbang sisters. Hey! Tapos na tayo guys sa Cove 1. We're on our way to Cove 2. Samahan nyo ulit kami. Let's go! lang guys, hindi kami natuloy sa Cove 2 kasi apparently apparently the Cove is not that good. So they said that you have to go walk through the water. So it's kind of risky for us, especially for the buntis one. So yeah, we're heading back to the boat. Diretso lang te, left wing. Yeah, there you go. So yeah, balik na tayo sa boat. Bye! Hey! Hey! We're here na sa lunch area natin where food daw is a buffet, unlimited. Whereas per guide, bawal daw mag-Sharon. So let's go. Let's see kung ano mga kinanda nilang food for us. Hi guys, dito na tayo sa next destination natin, which is we're now here at Puka Beach. Hey, let's go. Beach. Mainit. How is Puka Beach?
It's good.
Mama Rose.
Okay naman. Sobrang init.
How is Puka Beach?
It's so hot.
So hot. How is Puka Beach? What? Diba? How is Puka Beach?
Mainit.
What about you? How's Puka Beach so far?
So magastos.
Nakamagkano ka?
So no comment.
Thank you Puka Beach.
Hindi tayo nag-picture.
That's it for today, guys. We are done with our island hopping with Klook. Hey, discount ka naman next time, Klook. Thanks you guys for spending your day two with us. Later na lang, bye.
Ay! Nakasaan!
Diba si paano maglakad? Hey! We're back! Hi guys, we're on our second night here in Boracay. Right now punta kami ng kain muna ng dinner and then baka daw mag-party. Samahan niyo kami. I'm with usual mga person na gutom. Mga person na gutom.
Hi, where you come from?
Kakain muna kami syempre. See you guys later. Guys, dito na kami sa loob ng bar. Hi guys, we just got out the bar and I think the girls enjoy it as well. What about you? Did you enjoy it?
Oh my God, yes!
Diba?
Inang yan. Di ba halata, Tiff? Yeah. Di ba halata,
Ikaw?
We're tired. I'm tired to hype.
Wait lang, taas natin si ate. Si Mama Rose.
Yo.
Ayun, pauwi pa lang kami and this ends our day 2 in Boracay. Thank you guys for watching and let's see kung ano mangyayari for the day 3. Bye! Bye guys!
Bye! See you tomorrow! Bye! Pagod na kami.